Step 1. Choose your preferred template. Click on the right to select a template image, or choose one directly from the assets below the dialog box. Of course, you can also upload a local file. Step 2. Upload the target face image. Directly upload a local target face image, or select one from the assets below the dialog box. Step 3. Click the Generate button. Wait a few seconds. Then you can view the results in the generation history on the right. Click the image to preview and download.